Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be making an African dish called fried rice. Really popular, really good. Watch and learn. So right here, as you can see, my mom is dicing the peppers. This is the pepper she has diced. Those are the peas she's going to dice later. She's cutting it and then she's going to chop it into bits. See, she's cut the peas, she's cut the pepper. She's just chopping more pepper because, you know, we love pepper. Chopping it into bits. So right now, as you can see, she's washing the spring onions to remove all the germs and all the bacteria and germs. Washing them clean. She's cutting off the roots, and now she's going to chop it into bits. Everything is chopped into bits. Really lovely. Okay guys, this is it. The rice we're going to wash. Oh, I'm not going to use it, but I'm going to rinse it. She's rinsing the rice, removing all the excess starch. Pouring that salad. She's boiling the water for the rice and putting oil in that pan. So guys, I'm holding the ogede. We call it ogede in our language. It's plantain, and she's going to wash it and fry it as it looks like the banana. Now she's going to chop the plantain into bits. You are going to dice the plantain into 4 sections. She's about to boil the rice, but before she does that, she is going to chop the pepper into bits because you don't want to be chewing this kind of pepper. It's just to make it spicy and to give it taste. So she's dicing it into really tiny bits, so you can't really see it in the food, just the taste. So guys, she's waiting for the oil to be ready so she can fry the plantain, as you can see. So guys, this is the grilled chicken my mom grilled yesterday. Really nice. Really nice. The plantain are finally frying. You're going to leave it till it turns golden brown. She's also boiling the rice. She's boiling it. So guys, my mom is parboiling the rice. She's going to she's parboiling the rice, going to put salt and everything. She's sieving it, all the excess dirt. It's getting golden brown. The plantain is getting golden brown. She just finished putting oil in the pot. She just added the rice into the oil. She's going to fry it a little bit, as you can see. Oh, and by the way, the oil she put was chicken oil. She's adding water. She just added chicken stock, and now she's adding the fried rice spice, as you can see. It's going to make the fried rice yellow. Now she's going to add the pepper, as you can see. The plantain is golden brown, as you can see. And now she's going to be stirring all the ingredients she added. Watch as she stirs it carefully. Stirring everything. going to taste it to see what she needs to add, either salt or Maggi. She is adding her seasonings. We use Maggi. It's like a Nigerian season. So she's adding that. She's adding the chicken flavor actually. And now she's adding salt. And she's closing the pot. She's pouring the plantain to paper towels so that the paper towel can absorb the excess oil. Look how golden brown it is. It's really crispy on the outside but soft in the inside. You guys should try it out. So it's boiling. I can't open the pot now though. So now she added the ingredients. She's going to turn it. Look how yellow it is already. She's stirring everything, as you can see. So guys, this is the end result. This is how my food looks like. This is it. That's the chicken, the plantain, the rice, the shrimp. This is it. Anyways guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and like button, and don't forget to subscribe.